long after the heat of the moment, I pull off the highway in rural Portugal and glance at the Bugatti Chiron center console. As the engine cools and the carbon silicon carbide brake rotors start to dissipate heat, the onboard computer's telemetry reveals some staggering figures: a peak speed of 377 km per hour, do the math, and that's 234 miles per hour, with the quad-turbocharged W16 squeezing a max of 1,466 horsepower at 6,691 revolutions per minute. Did I just drive a car or fly a plane? The mind-boggling brain shuffle of Bugatti's latest land rocket cannot be understated, even when placed in context against the now-defunct Veyron. In ultimate supersport trim, the Veyron produced a stunning 1,200 metric horsepower. The Chiron's leap to 1,500 ponies required considerable development, testing, and re-engineering. That exhaustive process saw significant challenges, even late in the game. Consider the high-speed testing incident in South Africa. Despite extensive test bench work, real-world driving revealed that the immense exhaust heat was melting the rear bumper and nearly igniting the car. The solution, it turns out, was to add a duct so airflow from the underbody could channel through and diffuse the heat. For the 500 wealthy souls who will take delivery, the $2,998,000 Chiron is most certainly an emotional purchase. But it's backed by a battery of left-brain thinking aimed at making it a quicker, smoother, more involving car than its famously controversial predecessor. For starters, only 5% of the engine's parts are retained from the Veyron, the bulk of the new parts getting strengthened, lightened, and re-engineered to better cope with the thermal demands of the heightened output. The four turbochargers are 68% larger and now work sequentially, so the first set can facilitate a torque plateau between 2,000 and 4,000 revolutions per minute. The larger, second set of turbos extend the flat line to 6,600 revolutions per minute. The 7-speed gearbox manufactured by Ricardo, which is essentially the only dry-sump dual-clutch on the production car market, has been strengthened and reinforced to withstand the engine's thumping 1,180 pound-feet of torque. The immense drivetrain is housed by a carbon fiber chassis by Dallara that requires 1,500 hours to build.